What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make $45 again and again. This is super hot to make money online right now. You want to take advantage of this as soon as possible. I'm going to share everything you need to know about how to do this in this video here. But first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also smash that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm going to show you here how you can make $45 again and again. This has huge potential to make money online now. This is super hot. What you need to do here is pay attention and watch the whole video here. Otherwise, if you skip out on anything, it won't work for you. So please watch the whole video. If you miss out on anything, watch it again here to get this right. Make sure you subscribe to my other YouTube channel also, which is my IM Tips. It is related to internet marketing, make money online, work from home and a lot more. You're going to find a link at the top and of course in the description below. And if you are interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real, sustainable, long-term online business, I highly suggest you to have a closer look at my #1 recommendation right here below this video, when we're finished of course. But for now, let's see how we can make $45 again and again right now. Let's get started. Alright guys, so basically I did a video last week about something that is super hot right now, and it was about face masks. So I started to brainstorm a little bit here on what else people actually search for right now that is super hot and goes more or less viral here. And one of the things is of course about sanitize or sanitizing. I mean, you can see here if I go to Google and I type sanitize, we have 135,000 search results here. But we have also sanitizing, for example. And I did expand a little bit on it, so basically I wanted to search on different affiliate offers, okay, or CPA offers actually. So what I did is I went to OfferVault here. Now OfferVault is a search, I would say it's more or less a search engine for finding offers because they have tons of different affiliate networks and CPA networks in here. So it's really great to come in here and search for different offers that you can promote. So if I go in here and type sanitizer, for example, there you can see here we are going to get a few different results, and there is offers anywhere from $20, $50, $45, $40, $39, $32, and here we have something with gel, so this is a smaller amount here. So if I just open up one here, the first one, we can see that this is an instant hand sanitizer. Okay, but this is unfortunately only for United Kingdom, Canada and United States. So we are going to have a look at something else here. Okay, we have the light sanitizer here, but this is something that looks interesting because look at this. This has to do with a smartphone. So this is a smartphone sanitizer and it is an international offer because I can see it right here with the INTL. So if I open this up in a new tab, we can check out all of the details here, okay? Smart Sanitizer Pro, UV smartphone sanitizer, international offer. This is what is allowed: native, social, banner, search and PPC, CPA. No emails here. And we can see here it is e-commerce in the category. You can earn $45 per lead here, okay? All languages. This offer is very important, worldwide success, a superstar product, and we can see here that no matter if people come here and purchase with credit card and PayPal payment, it is accepted also. And once again they mention of course what is allowed here. So first off, we need to join this network. It is simple and straightforward. We just open it up in a new tab. We need to fill in the details here and of course get approved to promote this offer. Now when we've done that, we are going to get of course a link that we can use to promote. But basically you are probably saying how we're going to promote it, and bear with me here. I'm going to show you actually not one but two strategies so you can earn even more with this, okay? So first off, we want to have a look at a little bit here in the landing page, so we know what it is we're going to promote and how it looks. And if I open it up here, okay, this is super cool because it actually shows up here in no matter what country you are located in. So it translates it and it shows up. So this is a great opportunity actually to earn money worldwide with this one, okay? And it's all Greek here. I'm located in Greece, so obviously it shows up in Greece. So I had to actually, let me just show you here on how it looks if I open it up from another IP address. So this is how it would look in English, and it looks pretty cool here, okay? So you get a 50% discount code and so on there actually if you purchase it here. So it looks really nice. Now we are going to actually gather some information about this product here to promote it. And how are we going to do that? Well, if I go back here and if I just type smart sanitizer pro, we can see it right here. So basically what we are going to do here, we can check out the reviews and so on here. So just open this up in a new tab and collect as much information as possible about this product. Now the next thing we need to do when we have done this is we need, of course, to put this information together and promote it. And the first one we are going to focus on is YouTube. So basically we are going to do a smart phone. Let's have a look at smartphone sanitizer. And if I open this up here, we can see that look at the first results. There is 97,000 views and it goes on here. So it looks like a great potential actually to promote this right now, but what we need to do is to find some good long-tail keywords to do this. And basically all you have to do is more or less record a video with a screen, okay? I do it in Camtasia, for example, but you can do it in OpenShot, for example. Screencast-O-Matic is another one that is free that you can get started with. There are so many opportunities that you can record your screen and just mention the information there. So you don't have to be in front of the camera as I'm right now, but just record and tell the good things. And of course, if there is any bad things also about having a smartphone sanitizer there. So that is a cool way to do it. But we want to actually find out on some long-tail keywords that doesn't have a lot of competition, so we can easily be on the top here when people are searching for it. And you can see here I take advantage of vidIQ, and I also use actually TubeBuddy, okay? TubeBuddy, both are great in my opinion. I used paid versions actually for both. You are going to get started with the free versions. It is more than enough for you to get started with this. So basically if I open this up here, we can see that for a smartphone sanitizer we are going to get a pretty fair score here, okay? We want to get as high as possible. So we can look at some alternatives. So for example, it could be a smartphone sanitizer machine. You can see here that we are going to get even better results. Let's move on a little bit. Let's go back actually here and see what some common video tags was here, because we want to take advantage of this. So if I go, for example, at cell phone sanitizer, oh, look at this. This is definitely much better, okay? And how about if I go here and see for the related searches, cell phone sanitizers, do they work? Boom, look at this. This is an awesome long tail keyword that we can focus on. We have an excellent result here, my friends. This is so cool, okay? Cell phone sanitizer, do they work? Now we have all the information. We can get started to record this video, and you can see here that, look at this. This is the first video that shows up. So you're going to compete with this video, and if you are lucky also you're going to get some cool traffic from this video alone here. But it has a low competition, so we want to take advantage of it, okay? This is definitely super hot to do it. And as I said, gather as much information as possible. So you're going to explain on why they work and so on there. And as I said, all you have to do is just show some pictures and basically some slides more or less with some text or some articles. Record your microphone, your voice there, and just upload the video. So how do you upload the video? Let me go inside here and show you one of my videos, what is important to take advantage of. Okay, so basically first thing first is we need to take advantage here and make a good title. This is super important actually. So basically you can see here cell phone sanitizer, do they work, and how to get the best one, for example. Okay, get the best one. I'm just improvising a little bit here. I have nothing prepared, but let me go back here to YouTube. Okay, so you can see if I use this title in Google here, basically this video is still #1. That's a good sign here. But look at this, for example. Here is another one, okay? Phone soap sterilizer and so on there. So this is actually really super cool. Okay, you can see I already get an excellent result here also once again. So we want to take advantage of it. The next thing you want to do is actually take the exact same title and put it in at the top here, just as you can see with the video I'm using right now. And the next thing, of course, is we need to have pretty high here actually. My #1 recommendation to get the best cell phone sanitizer, click here, and you want to use your link. Okay, if it is a long ugly link, you can use something like bit.ly. This is a link shortener, okay, URL shortener, so you can use that. All right, so shorten your link, you just put it in here, create an account actually. And the next thing you need to do is insert a good description here. It does help actually a lot regarding the rankings. So make sure you take advantage of it and use pieces from the information that you have gathered earlier from Google search. Okay. And then of course the most important is actually use also the affiliate disclaimer. By the way, it's a good tip. You want to take advantage of it and make sure you stay on the safe side here with your video. Of course, a good thumbnail is obvious that you need, but here is also very important to take advantage of all these tags here. And what we are going to do is we go back here again and we go here, cell phone sanitizer. You can see here sanitizer. If I go inside here, we are going to get some recommendations that we can use. Okay, and you can see here all this is definitely great to use inside here. Okay, so take advantage, make sure they are related to what you are, what your title is, and of course you copy this and you insert them there. But you can also open up, let's say for example, this video. Okay, and this is super cool also to do.
Let me ask you this. Do you know how many
Okay, so let's see what tags this guy is using here. Okay, look at this: phone cleaner, for example, cell phone sanitizer, smartphone sanitizer, product review, phone soap, phone sanitizer. Take this, copy this, and insert them also in here. Okay, you are allowed to have up to 500 characters in total. And then you are ready to go. So make sure you check out, compare, and have a look at what TubeBuddy also recommends you, or vidIQ if you prefer that. So then all you have to do is just hit the save there and upload that video. Make sure you can, if you can, make sure you promote it a little bit in the beginning so you're going to get some views, because then YouTube are going to say, aha, there is some views, there is an activity there, let's see what this is all about. And of course they're going to rank you high. And that is how you actually make these $45 again and again. Now I'm going to share with you another bonus strategy here also. So basically what you can do is when you have that link, use your imagination, but if you go to Facebook and you type COVID-19, for example, you can see that there is a lot of groups that you can go inside here and promote. do it the right way, okay? Don't just go in there and click that link, you need to get this now. But I did a video about this recently on how you can make smart promotions regarding going inside these groups. So check that out if you want to, but I think you get the point here on how to do it the right way right here. Alright guys, so that's definitely something that you want to take advantage of to make money online now, as soon as possible. Now, as I said in the beginning, if you are interested in making money online, make a full-time passive income online, build a real long-term sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at. If you got some value here, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. Make sure you subscribe to both my YouTube channels and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video about how to make money online, work from home, and a lot more. And make sure you also check out my other Make Money Online video recommendation I have at the end screen here. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.